This video is for do-it-yourselfers, home improvement. So if you want a backyard pool, start with an idea, excavate the logistics of it all, and remove dirt, and then continue. So this will be an infinity pool. Just over 19 meters, or about 60 feet long. Good swim pool. The depth will be about 2 feet down to 5. So okay, here's another view going the long way. So it's basically 10 feet wide and 60 feet long with a little angle at the other end. And it'll take 1,000 cubic feet of water. Or maybe a little more, but anyway. You just got your basic crushed gravel. It's kind of decorative. It's got a golden color to it. Arizona gold. There you go. And so your first step is to get that excavated into the design you want. And the easiest is really rectangular pools. I added a little jog on the left side here. Just because I had extra room. But, the infinity edge is just a theory that water goes right up to the top and flows over into a little gutter, like a trough. And then it goes back to the pump. The pump area is a very important part of the pool system. It constantly circulates the water and freshens it, and we're not using chlorine, using a little bit of combination of ozone and salts. So anyway, we're going to put some shade in here. On the right side is going to be maybe lounge chair. So haven't decided yet on landscaping, but maybe some Indian laurel, which are thick foliage and very low consumption of water and no maintenance hardly. So, and there's our three amigos, and those are my wheelbarrows. Of course, they're manually powered, and it's good exercise. But without using any equipment after the initial dig here, these wheelbarrows are good for the hand excavation and so on. So, and it's energy efficient. So there's our depth, about 4.5 to 5. Haven't decided yet. But something around 4 to 5, maybe 4.5. But this gives a little bit of a shady spot in the before noon, and then it gets full sun after about 1 o'clock. So that's about it, except for these obsidian boulders. I got one boulder anyway. This is what I call the decorative part of life. This came out of a volcano. It's called obsidian. And I roll it around to get where I need it. Or I can use a wheelbarrow. Anyway, that's about all for now on the do-it-yourself backyard pool.